All the cutleries are in the drawer. All the cutlery is in the drawer. Cutlery is an uncountable noun. I'm surprised by his peculiar behaviours. I'm surprised by his peculiar behavior. Behavior is an uncountable noun. Teachers today are less stricter than they used to be. Teachers today are less strict than they used to be. The comparative er is never used with less. Either of these items are good. Either of these items is good. Either of always takes singular verb. The institution builds good characters. The institution builds good character. The plural form characters means the letters of the alphabet, or the people in a book, or a drama.